Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a new package for drawing line between 2 points at runtime as a gizmo. Imagine we have point A or object A and object B, and they are in a different location, different height, different X, different Z. So we want to drawing a line between two objects, and it will be visible whenever we play the scene. Okay, let me stop here and jump to my browser. Mr. or Mrs. Heilang made this package. It's called Parabola. It has been made 5 years ago, but I tested it on Unity 6 and it works perfectly. I will share the link of this package into the description of this video. We just need to download the zip file of the whole project. After that, you have to import the assets folder into your projects folder, as I did. Parabola is here. Look at this, it has only one script, Parabola editor, and in the editor page folder we have Parabola prefab and Parabola tool, which is the UI of that. Okay, let me create a new scene. Oh, sorry. All right, and now for example I drag and drop the example prefab into my scene. Look at this, it's drawing lines and circles between two objects, object cube and sphere object. Look at this, which is really good. And now we want to see how we can change the settings of this package. As you can see, you can add in the Parabola editor script, you can add the original object and destination object, and the VY. Let me show you what is the definition of this parameter. For example, you can see the velocity of bending this line between two objects. Here you can change the angle of it, so it will be like a direct line like this, 0, or like this. It doesn't work in minus, so it's better to be more than 0, but it can be like this. And here let me keep it, for example, 50, and here we have count, which means whenever you want to bend your line, it's better to have more items as a vertex of those angles you want to bend your line. For example, if I decrease it, it will be like this. Look at this, it's not as smooth. But if I increase it to, for example, 20, look at this, the line is more smoother. Let me keep the camera in this angle and look at this. You can see the objects in the runtime as well. If I play the scene, look at this. You can see these gizmos during the scene play. Okay, now I can increase the number of these points, but I keep it for 20 numbers. Okay, but maybe you wanna say, okay, I like lines, but I don't like circles. Or maybe in reverse, I don't like line, I just want to keep circles. Let's take a look at the script itself. Parabola editor, right click, edit the script, and now here we have the script of this mechanism. As you can see, it is really easy to understand, but that point I mentioned is here. In line 61, it says private void undraw gizmos. Here, it is related to drawing the line. It is related to drawing the sphere. And also we can manage the colors of line and sphere as well. So I can change the color of line, for example, to blue. Alright, save by Ctrl S and come back to the scene after baking my script. Ta-da! Our line right now is blue. And of course, if I make the draw sphere as a comment, or maybe the whole part as a comment, okay, and Ctrl S, come back to the scene, excellent. Now we don't have any circle. And as you can see, it is really good quality line and it works perfectly. This mechanism will be helpful for simulations or maybe third-person games or RPG games or whatever. Imagine you want to make artillery, and with this method you can show what is the impact or maybe what is the target destination, any way you want. Or maybe we can reverse it. Oh, sorry. And just keep the circle, spheres. Like this. Very beautiful. Excellent. Alright, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to AR, VR and XR. Like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.